The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information, call 417-335-3109. Completely remodeled in 2021, this 3-bedroom/3-bath luxury waterfront condo is awesome. The kitchen features new chery Amish cabinets and custom wine rack, new stainless appliances and farmhouse sink, and an oversized high-end granite breakfaat bar. This is one of the best floor plans you'll find in condo living. Open and inviting with a huge screen deck to extend your living space. You'll find new luxury plank flooring, new reverse osmosis drinking system that also goes to ice maker, new granite countertops and chery cabinets in laundry room, crown molding west/LED ambient lighting, multiple colors and intensity, a new stacked stone fireplace and hearth, new water softener, new water heater, and new HVAC. Even the lifts are new or refurbished. The 14x40 slip, with lift, is one of only 4 extra long slips on the dock. The new $15,000 touchless boat cover and double garage are also included. Complex offers a pool, clubhouse, tennis court, playground, pickle ball. Resort living at the lake.